who demonstrated that green plants purify the foul air produced by breeding animals as well as burning candle. Options are Priestley, Ingenhouse, Sachs as well as Engelmann. So here if we look in this experiment, so here the experiment demonstrated that the green plants are about to purify the foul air. So it can also be also called as phlogistated air. So impure air. So foul air will be purified. Okay, so that means it will be dephlogistated. And this foul air has been produced by breeding animals as well as burning candle. So this particular experiment, it has been demonstrated by Joseph Priestley. That is option A is the correct answer, where he conducted the experiment by considering a bell jar within which the burning candle as well as an animal has been placed. And when he observed that, so here the animal, it gets suffocated. So animal was suffocated after some time because of lack of air, whereas candle also, it stopped burning after some time. But in addition to this, in the bell jar, when the potted plant was placed, okay, so when the potted plant was placed along with the burning candle as well as the animal, so he observed that so this candle, it continued to burn and animal also was comfortably present inside the bell jar because of the presence of the potted plant. And based on his experiment, he said that animals as well as burning candle, they utilize the air that is present in the surrounding environment and they will be producing the foul air or the phlogistated air which occupies the surrounding. Whereas if plants are there, so they will be purifying this phlogistated air where they cause dephlogistation of the air or purification of the air. That is, and that experiment, it is described by Joseph Priestley, and indirectly it gave an idea of release of oxygen by plants during photosynthesis. So that is regarding Priestley's experiment. Whereas Ingenhouse, he continued the Priestley's experiment and he said that if this particular setup is placed in the sunlight, then only the plant can dephlogistate the phlogistated air, or else again the same process will continue. So he explained that sunlight is essential for the production for the release of pure air by the plants. Whereas Sachs, so he confirmed the presence of starch during the photosynthesis, whereas Engelmann, he gave an idea of action spectrum that is required for the photosynthesis. So hence for the given question here, option A is the correct answer.